Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. We're looking at how Japanese cars in 2026 will get new safety features via OTA updates, what it means and why it matters. Picture this. Your car gets safer while it sits in your driveway. No dealer visits, no long waits. In 2026, many Japanese cars will receive new safety features through over-the-air updates, often called OTA. Think of it like a phone update for your car, delivered over Wi-Fi or cellular. This video breaks down what OTA is, which safety upgrades may arrive, how updates roll out in Japan, what it might cost, how to prepare, and how to stay private and secure. Some features depend on built-in hardware like cameras or radar. Cars in Japan follow rules for safe and secure software updates that align with UNR 156, software updates, and UNR 155, cybersecurity. You do not need to know the legal details, just know there are guardrails. What OTA activation means for Japanese car safety in 2026. 2026 looks like a turning point for connected cars in Japan. More vehicles ship as software-defined, which means features can grow over time. 4G and 5G coverage is strong in cities and growing along highways. Automakers now have platforms that support remote updates for powertrain, infotainment, and safety systems. For drivers, the benefits are simple. Safer driving. Fewer trips to the dealer. Cars that stay useful longer. Updates can fix bugs, improve driver assistance, and refine how sensors work together. Your next car might feel smarter a year after you buy it. OTA updates explained in simple terms. Here is how a typical OTA update works. You get a notice in the car or phone app. The car downloads files over cellular or Wi-Fi. You pick a time to install while parked. The car powers modules down, installs, and restarts. You take a short test drive to confirm features work. Some upgrades are software unlocks that use sensors you already have. For example, better pedestrian detection can arrive without new hardware if your camera supports it. If the hardware is missing, OTA cannot add it. Software cannot replace a radar unit or add a camera that is not there. Why 2026 is a turning point in Japan. The timing is not random. Many 2023 to 2026 models in Japan ship with update-ready control units and more memory. Telecom networks are stable, with strong coverage in major regions. Rules for safe updates are clearer, guided by UNR 156 and R 155 and overseen by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. Automakers are moving from rare fixes to regular releases. Owners can expect steady improvements, not just emergency patches. Driver benefits. Safer rides, lower costs, better resale. Real-world gains matter most. Safer rides. Improved braking assistance and smoother lane support can help reduce crash risk. Faster fixes. Bugs and sensor quirks can get resolved in weeks, not months. Fewer recalls. Some recalls get handled remotely, which saves a trip. Better resale. A car that stays current can be easier to sell. Less hassle. Install at home, at night, or when parked at work. Always review the release notes before you install. Know what is changing, then test features in a safe spot. New safety features coming via OTA updates in 2026. Timing and availability vary by brand, model, and trim. Upgrades also depend on your hardware. Think of the following as common themes you might see, not promises for a specific car. ADAS upgrades you can expect in Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Subaru, Mazda, and Mitsubishi and more. Intersection automatic emergency braking. Better detection of cars crossing your path, with stronger braking support. Pedestrian and cyclist detection. Improved recognition in low light and complex scenes. Motorcycle detection. More reliable alerts for small, fast-moving vehicles. Cross-traffic alerts with braking. Assist when backing out of a space or edging into traffic. Smoother lane centering. Less ping-ponging and more natural steering feel on highways. Curve speed assist. Better speed guidance when the road bends. Improved blind spot assist. Alerts that trigger earlier and adapt to your speed. Smarter auto high beams. Better control to avoid glare, with quicker toggling. Traffic sign recognition. Overspeed alerts tied to posted signs and local rules. These enhancements may arrive as minor updates over time. Small changes can add up. Driver monitoring and speed assistance features. Camera-based driver monitoring is getting more common. It can warn when your eyes are off the road or when you look drowsy. Some systems tighten lane support if attention drops, then prompt you to take a break. Intelligent speed assistance blends sign reading and map data. It can remind you of limits and suggest safe speeds. The driver always stays responsible. These tools assist, they do not replace good judgment. Map and V2X powered safety improvements. Fresh map data can sharpen lane level guidance. It can improve work zone alerts and help at complex junctions. Updates can tweak how the car tracks lanes and merges. V2X pilots in Japanese cities, where vehicles talk with road units, may enable alerts for red lights, blocked lanes, or approaching emergency vehicles. Coverage will be limited at first. Expect features to start in select areas, then grow as infrastructure expands. Emergency response and post-crash tools that update over the air. Safety does not end when a crash happens. OTA updates can refine eCall logic for faster connections and better location sharing. Crash detection rules to reduce false triggers and confirm real events. Automatic hazard lights behavior to improve visibility after a stop. Automatic door unlock rules if airbags deploy. Remote diagnostics to help service teams support you after an incident. These tools complement emergency services. Call for help when needed. In Part 2, we'll dig into how to prepare your car, protect your data and test the new tools. Stay tuned for Part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.